service call here this morning on a older ICP unit. This is a 2007 5-ton. It's got a first company unit inside, R22 TXV. And this is the culprit so far. It's one of the problems. 80 and 7.5, I'm gonna swap it out. And this thing is extremely off kilter. Look how much it moves too. Yeah, that's junk. So we're gonna hope that the new capacitor fires it up, get them through the summer, and yeah, replace it next spring. Another thing too, somebody put a 3-phase contactor in here and just used 2 of the phases. That's funny. So I'm gonna put a Turbo 200X in here and see if it starts. We did test the windings on the compressor with a megometer, and it is in the caution range. So yeah, we'll see how that goes. I'll come back when we attempt to start it. It's our amps.
Didn't work.
No. Yeah, field piece doesn't catch inrush very well.
What's our LRA on there?
Pretty faded.
Nah.
Yeah. 141. Yeah, 141 is locked rotor, and 25 should be running load amps maximum. 5-ton. Said it was a 30 amp breaker, I think, right?
30 amp breaker, but that's not right if it is.
Yeah. Alright, well, if the charge is good, she lives to see the rest of the summer. Put in a new unit next year, hopefully. That's it.